What if I told you that your money can grow while you sleep? No hustle, no side gig, just smart saving. Sounds too good to be true? Stick with me because I'm about to show you how to start saving the right way and how a high-yield savings account can turn your lazy dollars into overachievers. Stay tuned for more. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Cassie, founder of Faithful Finance Academy, where we talk real money, real life, and real breakthrough. Now let me keep it real for a second. I didn't grow up learning how to manage money. We had that money disappears before payday curriculum. But once I got serious about financial freedom, saving became my foundation. So why is saving so important? Because life can be unpredictable. A car breakdown, a medical bill, an unexpected emergency. You need a cushion, and savings is just that. Not just financial security, it's peace of mind. It's sleeping at night knowing that you're not one flat tire away from breakdown and a breakdown. A quick reminder, savings equals stability plus opportunity. You're not just preparing for problems, you're preparing for possibilities. Now I know what you're thinking, how am I supposed to start saving when my paycheck is already in witness protection? Trust me, I've been there. But here's how you can start small. Start with what you can. Start with $10, $25, even $5. It's not about the amount, it's about building the habit. Automate it. Start a direct transfer to your savings. Let it happen in the background like your favorite playlist. Cut one thing. Skip that extra drive-through. Even cancel that subscription that you forgot you had. And redirect that money. Little by little, it adds up. And remember, Luke 16:10 tells us that whoever can be trusted with little can also be trusted with much. Faithfulness starts with the small stuff. Now let's turn your savings up a notch with a high-yield savings account. Not all savings accounts are created equal. Some grow like bamboo and others grow, well, like my houseplants. If you know, you know. But here's the tea. A traditional savings account might give you 0.01% interest. That's like 10 cents on $1,000. Not even enough for a gumball. But a high-yield savings account, you can earn 4% or more. That's $40 on the same $1,000 just for letting your money chill. When shopping around for a high-yield savings account, look for these features. No monthly fee, competitive interest rate, FDIC insured, and easy to use online. Your money deserves to work as hard as you do. Let's talk faith for a sec. Savings is not about fear. It's about wisdom. Proverbs 21:20 says that the wise store up choice food and olive oil, but the fool gulps theirs down. Savings is biblical. It's stewardship. You're saying, God, I trust you with my finances, and I'm going to manage what you've given me with care. All right, fam, are you ready to start saving and making your money work for you? If you're committed to taking that first step today, drop a money bag in the comments below. And if you want help building your financial plan step by step, book a coaching session. I'll leave the link in the description below. Let's work this out together. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money tips with a kingdom mindset. Catch y'all in the next video. And until then, save smart, trust God, and live free. Be blessed.